Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Aquarius, we are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Aquarius, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards, guys. Aquarius, we have Sun, Eight of Pentacles, and Six of Wands in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Aquarius, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. So Aquarius, today you are someone who's really skilled and talented, and you have made honest efforts. Maybe in your career you have worked hard for something, you have been working towards some goal, you want to reach those goals, but you fear some kind of obstacle may come in before you reaching success. So you have some kind of worries or apprehensions about your situation. So something is bothering you, maybe some delays you are seeing today in your work or some kind of suspension. So that is causing a lot of stress for you. You have worked hard for this, and today this obstacle or some kind of a negative situation has come up, and you don't know how things will go or what will happen today, guys, in your situation, in your work, or it may be a circumstance in this relationship, guys. So you have invested your time and energy in this relationship. You have done things to make this person understand you. Maybe you have tried hard, done your best, being at your best to make this person see your love and have this understanding, have a meaningful connection with this person. But you fear that they may not see this relationship just like you do. So something is worrying you. Maybe you have shown your interest in a meaningful, committed relationship, and maybe they have not answered. So that may be the reason for your fears or worries, guys, Aquarius. But you need not worry, guys. This Sun card we have here, that is a very positive card. So all your fears and worries are just going to disappear today, guys, and you are going to see a change in your mental state, in your situation. So this person may accept your love proposal, or your circumstance in career situation, it may change, and you are moving towards something positive. Some unexpected returns may reach you, something which you are really happy about. So there is a turn around expected in your situation, guys, Aquarius. So you need not fear, you need not have that anxiety. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Aquarius. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, So now let's start the reading with the first card. So let's see what it is. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it is, I'll leave it here guys, cherish innocence. So in your situation guys, maybe your circumstances do not permit you to be playful and cheerful. Maybe there are huge burdens on your shoulders, a lot of things on your mind. But this angel card, the angel's guidance is that for you all today is to find that inner child, have curious eyes in your situation, be playful, have fun, and allow yourself to see things differently without fear, and have that wonder and curiosity in your vision guys. And do not take things too seriously, just have fun, laugh around, be childlike with wonder and joy, and allow yourself to experience simple things which will give you joy and happiness. Just playing around, making fun, maybe guys, just being like a child, maybe simply going out, enjoying your day. That is going to change the way things are in your situation. It is going to make you light-hearted, and you will feel a great relieved from your burdens and all that stress, anxiety you are experiencing today, and allow yourself to laugh, be happy. So happiness attracts more happiness guys, you should not forget that. So when you are happy, no matter what your situation is, you are going to see that happiness unfolding in your situation also guys. So you are going to enjoy more happiness today because of this cheerful attitude you have in your life, in your situation today guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So this is the second card for you all guys, for those who chose this card. It is Puss in Boots, and it means wit. So in our circumstances today, in our situation, you need to use your skills and talents, your wit, and your shrewdness today in your situation, cleverness. So it just means that there are blessings in your situation. Maybe you have received some kind of a blessing. You may not see it as a blessing, but it is. And when you put that to the best use, when you use your skills and talents to the optimum, you are going to see changes and great success in your situation. So you are going to use your witty side, that genius side, that tricking mind to achieve certain things. Do not wait for opportunities to come to you, but you need to go forward, move forward, and grab those opportunities, whatever you want to achieve, guys. And maybe for some of you, you have a very clever friend with you. So if you have someone like that in your situation and they are suggesting you certain things, you must listen to them, guys. Maybe in this relationship, they are here giving you counsel or suggestions regarding certain things. You must listen to them, and you are going to see success if you are able to optimize each and every opportunity you have in your life today. Maybe in this relationship, by being really clever, you are going to achieve what you want in this relationship, maybe with this person, and you have what you need within yourself. So you need not look for something outside. So you just need to, what to say, be really wise to use your talents and skills at the right time, at that right opportunity. So that is what this card is about, guys. So it may be a situation in your relationship requiring your skills and talents and your, what to say, that witty side to come into action today, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.